Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a neck break basic. Now, experience with a neck break is useful. Experience with a first move basic would be useful. So links to those teaching clips in the description below. So if you've missed those, you can go back, fill in the gap, and you'll be ready for one of these. It goes like this: 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Obviously I could have just done a right-handed return at the end, and frankly the only reason I didn't is it meant I could actually look at the camera. So easy stuff to change. Starts exactly the same as a normal neck break. So we go back, we signal, we come in, we drop the hand down so we can see the fingers, we transfer, we step the lady back on the right, the guys step back on the left. Okay, we're using the hand and the inside of the forearm against the lady's shoulder to lead what we're about to do, and all we're going to do is the steps you would do in a first move basic. So we're going to go step across the lady with the left for the guys, right for the ladies, turning right, bring the lady with us, and then twist out. We repeat exactly the same thing. Guys cut across the ladies, bring the lady with us in the rotation to the right, twist out, and then it's just preparation and finish the neck break off. I did a spin here. You could just as easily do a return. So let's think numbers. It goes back and signal. 1. Obviously if you want to get into the neck break another way with no signals, etc., etc., that's all fine. Coming in side by side. 2. Twist out. 3. The turn could be done slowly, but we're going to go for the full-on version, so we're going to go round 1, 2 on count 4, twist out 5, round again 1, 2, count 6, twist out 7, preparation 8, big turn 1, face 2, return 3, and back 4, or return spin of course. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, a neck break basic. It's a back, in, transfer, turning, twisting, turning, twisting, in, big turn, face, return, and back. Okay, hope you enjoy that. Hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. Be careful when you're connecting to the lady's shoulder with the soft bit of your forearm that you don't end up digging your elbow into the lady. So you want it to be a firm contact but a comfortable contact. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. If you are finding what we're doing useful, then do please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know every time a new video comes out, and if you have any questions or comments, do put them in the comments section below. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.